After years of being left in the shadows, the idea of an iPhone 17 mini is once again igniting conversations across the tech world. Even without a single official word from Apple, speculation is growing louder, fueled by rising demand for compact flagship devices. While Apple discontinued the mini line after the iPhone 13 mini due to lower than expected sales, there has been a clear and consistent segment of users that never stopped asking for it. And now, with competitors like Asus, OnePlus, and Google releasing high-end smartphones in smaller bodies, it's becoming increasingly evident that the market is shifting. Consumers are growing tired of large, heavy phones. A premium compact option is no longer a niche, it's a necessity. Apple's first attempt at a compact flagship with the iPhone 12 mini was widely praised. It delivered the same power, camera, and display tech as the full-sized iPhone 12, but in a size that fits snugly in one hand. Yet despite critical acclaim, the mini didn't achieve the sales Apple was hoping for, leading to its quiet exit after the 13th mini. Still, that exit didn't kill the idea. It only intensified the desire among dedicated fans. Many users never upgraded and still use their 13 mini, unwilling to give up the form factor they love. Social media threads, tech forums, and concept videos are flooded with pleas for a comeback. The demand is not hypothetical. It's vocal, visible, and persistent. In 2025, the timing for a return feels right. Smartphones with top-tier internals in small frames are gaining momentum. If Apple introduces the iPhone 17 mini, it could feature the powerful A19 chip, enhanced battery life, and support for Apple Intelligence, the company's new AI suite designed to work across iOS and hardware. With chip efficiency reaching new heights, power-hungry features no longer translate to poor battery life in smaller phones. That solves one of the biggest concerns of the earlier mini models. And when combined with improved thermals and Apple's ecosystem optimizations, this new mini could easily compete head-to-head with larger flagship models, minus the bulk. The fanbase for a smaller iPhone isn't just nostalgic, it's practical. Professionals, students, travelers, and minimalist users are looking for premium devices that aren't heavy, don't strain the hand, and still deliver the latest features. A potential iPhone 17 mini would likely appeal to this broad group, offering a modern, AI-powered Apple experience in a one-handed format. And while Apple hasn't confirmed its existence, industry watchers believe it can't be ruled out. The company has previously shown it's willing to pivot based on user behavior and competitive trends. If the internal data and global market movement point in the direction of compact devices, the iPhone 17 mini could very well become a reality. As for price and release expectations, if Apple moves forward with the mini model, it would likely debut alongside the iPhone 17 lineup in September's 2025, following Apple's usual launch schedule. In terms of pricing, industry insiders expect it to fall somewhere between $699 and $749, slightly below the standard iPhone 17, but still very much in flagship territory.